Hello and welcome to this Microsoft Excel video. Thank you for tuning in. I am Ambarish Tharte, a Mumbai-based Microsoft certified professional. In this video, I will explain the matrix or array functionality of Microsoft Excel. Please note that the matrix or array method can be used within Excel functions or user-defined functions. However, I'm going to demonstrate this using a simple multiplication scenario. I've been given a column which consists of several numbers, and I've been asked to multiply this column with a row which again consists of several numbers. Now, for ease of understanding, I've kept numbers. However, it could be a case of decimals or percentage figures as well. So it's a case of a column into row multiplication or row into column multiplication. Most of us would want to apply the partial referencing technique and copy paste or drag the formula throughout. Remember, in partial referencing, we will have to use the dollar symbols. We will have to press the F4 key or function and F4 in some laptops and then drag or copy the formula throughout. Yes, that is one of the methods to achieve this multiplication. However, let's see what the array or matrix method has got in store for us. First up, I will ensure to select the entire area where I wish to get the answer. So the entire output range has to be selected first. That's a mandate. Yes, for the array method, it is a mandate. Then I will begin with my equal to symbol, like the way we always do for Excel functions or calculations. Notice here that your equal to has gone right into the very first cell of your selected area. It always goes first to the active cell, and that's good for us. Superb. I will now navigate to my column and select the entire column by Control Shift down. A very easy method to remember this Control Shift down, if you're a cricket fan, is Chennai Super King Dhoni. CSD stands for Control Shift down. All right, I will now apply the multiplication symbol and will go one cell up. I will navigate to my row now and will select my row. So Control Shift right this time, right arrow. Again, if you wish to remember it the IPL way, it is Chennai Super King Raina. Dhoni and Raina were important players in the Chennai Super King IPL team when the team was functional. So yeah, Control Shift down for the column, Control Shift right for the row. And finally, friends, please remember, I will neither press enter nor control enter because we are applying the matrix or array method here. I will apply control shift enter. I repeat, control shift enter all together, and there you go. I've got my answers. All right, now let's quickly attempt to delete one of these answers. So let's go to this cell and simply delete. Aha, okay, it says you cannot change part of an array. Escape. Let's also try to enter 0 in one of the cells and press enter. No, you cannot change. So by this matrix or array method, we've been able to ensure that the output range, one of the cells in the output range, is not accidentally deleted. If you genuinely wish to delete, you have to completely delete the entire range. If I press delete now after selecting it, it's gone. Let's quickly get this back by pressing Control Z or Control Z. Notice here in the formula bar that you've been given a curly bracket here. There's no simple bracket, there's no parenthesis that you see normally in Excel. This time, because we've used array, because we pressed Control Shift Enter, we've been given this curly braces here. Okay, Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Have a nice one.